why is like that North Star that helps a founder to navigate through this journey with how exactly you want to be done, what exactly needed to be done, and at what time. So whenever you plan a journey, you definitely need a destination. Then you can plan a way. How do you want to go through it? What means you want to use? What convenience you want to use? So similarly, this is about the why. Whenever there are ups and downs, this why helps you in rising up again, in fighting that odd and make a way out through this. So recently, I met a founder who was explaining me the idea in the edtech industry. So I asked him, like, tech is not that glamorous these days, what it used to be after and during the COVID. Why do you want to do a startup in the edtech industry? So he was having a very clear and very convincing reason for doing it because still he feels okay, still there are ways where students are being cheated, and I want to solve this problem for the parents. So that why is actually the reason for someone to be passionate about when the odds are not in the favor. Whenever you derail during the journey, maybe you find some new feature very exciting, you want it in your product. This why helps you in maybe in restricting also, or also to design it in a way that it serves the purpose of your why. And also, while you are hiring any leader, like, exactly there you want to go. And this is exactly why you are doing this. This will help in taking up better decisions. In fact, interviewing someone in a better way so that, you are not making any mistakes. So this happens with us many of the times when people keep on questioning me, like, why you are doing this. And I believe this why is a very personal question to a founder, because why never comes from the external factor. It is something very internal that inspires you and motivates you to solve a particular problem or to bring a particular impact in the world. And that is one thing that energizes a founder, that keeps a founder motivated, that makes a founder to rise again and fight that battle and to make it successful. So I guess this why is something that always drive a founder to reach it to where they're entitled to be.